Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths, because that's what we do. And today we're not looking at a synth. We're actually going to look at a microphone, and not the Tula mic, which I have enjoyed using quite a bit. This is the CM-15. And thanks to Mike over at Russo Music for giving me the heads up that they had one, and I immediately jumped on it because I've been excited to complete the field line for a while. I'm a completionist. So I already spent a little time opening the box just to make sure I could do this fairly quickly and you don't have to watch me fumble. But here it is. The CM-15. All right. So, accessory kit, CM-15. Wow, it's super light, and I can like see through it. I don't know if I'll be able to show that to you, but probably not. But very cool. Mini XLR jack, mini jack. Then you have the plate here for the mic adapter, mic stand adapter, USB-C, and then the gain settings. So you have 0, 1, and 2. So I'm actually going to start off with 2 because I have a feeling that this is not going to be as sensitive as the Tula mic. And let's see what's in here. All right, so we got a nice little bag and the mic stand adapter and a mini XLR. Come on now, there you go, to regular XLR cable. I don't know if I'll even use that because I don't have anything that can use an XLR. All right, so cool. Ultra portable studio grade condenser microphone with more features than meets the eye. It's a most diverse audio device, both in and outside the studio. This guide is written to take you on a tour of CM-15 for you to discover its full functionality. The latest manual can be found online. Have a pleasant field trip. Woohoo! All right, cool. So put this on here. There you go. Now it's on the mic stand. And they have a little kickstand on the back. And let's plug it in and switch over from the Tula mic. All right, so that's plugged in. See a Tula. And, oh, is it listening to me already? Yeah, sweet. Okay. So you can hear me through this. I don't know. Maybe I need to speak closer to it. Hello, hello. This is CM-15. And you were listening to Tula, but now this is CM-15. All right, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Hopefully you can hear this okay, and you've enjoyed this cool unboxing video. Maybe. I don't know. It's probably not cool, but thanks anyway. See ya.